Hello, Matadors. This is going to be an opportunity for you to do a quick check to make sure your machine is ready for you to take on today's exercises. Click on CNC Motion. This will take a moment to load up. And then when you're in CNC Motion, the first thing you want to do is go to this part here and make sure it says Benchmill 6000 default setup. If you do not have Benchmill default setup, go ahead and choose a machine and choose the default setup and hit select. And it will automatically ask you, do you want the program to start over? And the answer would be yes. So if you have to start your program over, I'm going to give you a second here to do that. And then you come back into this program. Once you're here, you should see this blinking red error report. That's because this door, if you can look in here, this door to the bench mill is open. The first thing you want to do is close it. Clicking that blue button, close it, and turns off the error message. Then you want to home the machine. Click home, home, and now your machine is homed. So if you look down here, it's at 0000. Now, once you've homed your machine, you want to click up here to Window and go to Verify Screen. Then open up Superman IMP. Now that you have Superman IMP, go ahead and verify. Click on your stock. And on your stock, make sure that this Z down here is 1. So make sure you change that to 1. That's 1 inch above the part, and hit OK. Now you can see in this screen that my tool is above my part, and therefore I won't get an interference error as I try to start the machine. Now this window is kind of large, so you could grab it here and pull it this way, and then pull it this way, and then pull it this way. You got to have a lot of windows open. This is your program. Now we want to verify this program, so we're going to go ahead and click Verify, Verify, and you'll see how it actually quickly changed the tool because the tool is an 1/8 inch end mill instead of a 1/16 inch, which you have a smaller mill there. And then it goes ahead and completes the Superman, goes back to 0. And here we go. Now let's take a look at the G code really quickly. This is just set to go. It doesn't have any presets or does not have a safety line. But notice how the N1, N2, N3, N4, N5, and it just means it's the number of the line. And that gives you an opportunity to actually see the number when you get an error message of what line you did not program correctly. I like this part right here because this is teaching you to do an interpolation, which means to go in circular motion. And it says go to X 1.067, Y 1.333 with an I, which means an X offset of 1.067 to the center of the circle, and a J or a Y offset of 1.167. We're going to learn how to do that today as well. So that's what I want to call your attention to, and Go ahead and set up your computer. Make sure that your program is running. Thank you.